Hey guys, this is Rado with PhoneArena. Welcome to our unboxing video featuring the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so latest flagship, bigger variant. And right off the bat, I can tell you that the box design is pretty much unchanged from the S8 series. We have the blue model name here on the top, otherwise it's just a black box. We have the storage capacity indication here, 64 gigabytes of internal memory, and that's pretty much standard for S8 and S9 handsets. Here on this side we have an indication of the color variant. This one here is the midnight black, so it's going to be very black. And on the back side we have listed a bunch of key specs, including some of the new ones for this model, like the new super slow motion mode, the stereo speakers tuned by AKG, that's a first for the Galaxy S series, and of course the new camera with variable aperture, which can cycle between f1.5 and f2.4, which means f1.5 is the wider aperture, so when you're shooting in the dark, the camera needs more light in order to capture details and not to generate noise and that kind of stuff. So with f1.5 it can open the reticle more in order to get as much as more light as possible. And then if you're shooting at brighter environments, it closes the reticle a bit to f2.4 in order to get just the amount of light that it needs. What else we have here? 64 gigs of memory, 6 gigabytes of RAM on the Galaxy S9 Plus. The smaller variant S9 has 4 gigabytes of RAM. Earphones tuned by AKG, this is not new. And of course the 6.2 inch or 6.1 inch with rounded corners screen with Quad HD plus Super AMOLED resolution. Okay, so without further ado, let's see what we can do here. Can we open this box? It slides like this, and we have this one here. You open it from the side like a book, and on the top here we have a small package with the SIM ejector tool here, as well as your quick start guides. I'm gonna leave these guys here. Next thing inside is the phone itself. There it is. As I warned you, it's a Galaxy S9 Plus in midnight black edition, so it's just the black version. Has Gorilla Glass on the front, black Gorilla Glass on the back side, and of course here is the fingerprint sensor on the back, which has now moved from its location on the S8, which was right next to the camera, a bit more inconvenient, to below the camera, where it's naturally easier to reach with your finger and makes it harder to also smudge the camera lenses like this, because it's the first element for your finger to press here. Okay, I'm gonna hold the power key and let that phone load for a while right here. Let's see what else we have in the box here. Has nice deep dark blue color here on the inside. It's very stylish and classy. We have this cardboard thingy, which we don't need anymore. And let's see. First thing here is a USB connector adapter. Yeah, it goes into Type-C from regular USB here, with just a little adapter here. We have, I'm just gonna put these things here. We have the wall charger, if I can take it out of the box. There it is. Standard adaptive fast charging wall charger by Samsung. You plug in the USB cable here, the other one in the USB Type-C connector on the phone, and it's I've used these guys. They're very fast, very efficient in charging and quick charging the Galaxy S8 and also the Galaxy S9, obviously. Here in this little compartment here we have a number of cool things. Here is the Type-C USB to Type-C cable, which you're going to use to charge and also possibly transfer data from your Galaxy S9. Here are the wired earphones that come with the Galaxy S9. Let me show them to you. They're tuned by AKG, so they should sound pretty decent. They have a little remote here to pause or adjust the volume, and that's just it. Just wired earphones tuned by AKG, and also some extra ear tips for the earphones, so you can choose the ones that feel most convenient to you. Let's see if we have anything else here. Nothing. That's what you get inside the box of the S9 Plus. One last thing, let's finish this guy. So SIM card ejector, as we said, and also the quick start guards. Nothing else here hiding. Not the most exciting piece of equipment. Let's get back to the phone for a while. Okay, and yeah, obviously it presents us with the setup menu. Let's just walk through it to see. You can change your language, start the process. First thing, it asks you to input your password. I'm going to skip this step for a while. You need to agree to Samsung's end user license agreement. You can just agree to all. Of course, if you wish, you can disable diagnostic data and marketing information. Those ones are not mandatory. Time zone, date, time, next, input a name, Joe Smith, or yeah, that's also not mandatory. Intelligent scan, this is the new biometric security feature here. So we still have the front-facing camera in the iris scanner here, so the phone can still do face recognition, which is a bit faster but not super secure. It has iris scanner, which is kind of slow and a bit tricky to get to work, but very secure. Obviously, you still have the fingerprint scanner, thank God. It's a great feature to have, especially in this convenient position right here. And so the new intelligent scan option is basically a smart combination between face recognition and iris scanner. And basically what happens is that the phone intelligently detects the lighting conditions around you, and based on those picks whether to face recognize you or to iris scan you for optimal speed and security. So it's nothing very incredible, groundbreaking, just making face recognition and iris scanning a step easier. I'm not gonna set these up now because it's gonna take quite a while. So send system data, you can turn off this one. Location accuracy, obviously good, and location services, always a good thing these days. Of course, you can, it's recommended very much to create your Samsung account, because this grants you access to Samsung Cloud, a whole bunch of Samsung services here, like Pass, Samsung Health, and whatnot. So a lot of good stuff here. It's a very versatile and enriched package of features. You can restore data from your old Samsung Cloud account. So again, throwback to Samsung account convenience from your old device, or do not restore at all. Another set of useful features here that extend battery life, secure your stuff, font size and screen zoom. We're not going to bother with these guys right now, and that finishes the initial setup. And that's it. Galaxy S9 Plus. This is, as mentioned, the Plus model, which comes with these two cameras here on the back. The S9 model comes with just one. The second camera here is a telephoto lens, so you can do 2x zoom without quality loss. And yeah, here's the home screen, TouchWiz or Samsung Experience user interface display, very crisp, very high resolution, lush colors. You can tone those down in the settings if you like. Swipe up to access the app launcher, down again, but you can change that to show you the notification area. So I think that's it, guys. A quick run through the whole setup here. Galaxy S9 Plus, still very compact despite the very big display with infinity screen. You get this little connector here, Type A, USB-C on this end. You have the wall charger, which is adaptive fast charging, comes in the box, so that's incredible value by Samsung. Some other companies don't do that, sadly. And then there is the regular just USB to Type-C cable here for you. And of course the earphones tuned by AKG with extra ear tips. That's what's going on inside the box of the Galaxy S9 Plus. Thank you for watching, guys. For more content, be sure to stay tuned to PhoneArena.com.